Hello friends, so this is the new course which I am going to conduct in next few days, which is called Java, where I'll be covering the theory section with the practical examples as this is one interesting topic where we can learn from the start of the basics of the Java, which will be helpful for the beginners of the Java who wanted to learn, and then we will see some advanced Java courses as well going forward. So, what I'm going to cover in this, so basically, right from the history and the evolution of the Java, that would be the first chapter. Then we will see the overview of the Java with various concepts about the object-oriented programming. Then uh, we can get started with the setup of the Java, how we can set up, how we can use Eclipse IDE to run the Java programs and the command prompts as well to run the Java programs. So that would be the second chapter. Then third chapter will be the basics of the data types, variables, and arrays, where how we can utilize these in Java programs. Then the next will be operators like various operator, arithmetic operators, then um, a logical operator, relational operators like that. Then we have control statement where we have if, then, else, for loop, while loop. All these topics will be there. Then introducing classes. That is one of the main core of the Java, where classes is an important concept which needs to be understood for writing the program, so which will having the fundamentals of the classes, and then we will see about the constructors and various examples of the constructors as well. Then will comes about methods and classes in detail, where we will see how methods and classes works, what are the different overloading, then access control like public protected, and how access control can be managed. Then another important concept of the object-oriented programming is inheritance, where we will see how the inheritance works in Java, where are the different hierarchies, multi-level hierarchies, and method overriding is also we can see. Then comes about the package and interfaces, which is again important thing to understand. And then another important is exception handling, where we will see fundamentals of the exception handling, try and catches, then multiple catches, Java's built-in exception, user-defined functions. So these are the things we will see. Then multi-threaded programming, which is again another important and very crucial to understand what is multi-threaded programming. So we will see from the basics of the multi-threaded programming and how we can implement that in the Java. Then there are other concepts about the enumerations, autoboxing, and annotations, where enumeration fundamentals, type wrappers, autoboxing, and annotations we will see. And the last one will be lambda expressions, which is the new Java 8 version. So whatever the topics which I'll be covering is based on the Java Enterprise 8 edition, which will be having this lambda expression as a new feature which has been introduced, and then that I'll be going to cover. So this is what I will be going to cover, and I hope this will be helpful for you to just start learning Java, and I will be helpful uh, for answering any of the queries which you will come and while learning this. So hope we will see. Means keep watching my these videos. Next videos coming for this course, and yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this course and if you feel this will be something useful, then please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you for watching.